Welcome to the Surry County, Virginia CivQuest web mapping site. To get started, click on the I agree to the above terms and conditions and the OK button. On the map, you can navigate or go to the top left corner and enter an address, owner, tax map number, or street name. You will see a list of results. Choose the result in question and the parcel will be highlighted on the map and the property information will show up on the right. I can open a full property card by clicking on the link, which provides detailed assessment information, or I can click the print button to generate a PDF of the overview of the property information. If you want to find out adjacent property information, simply navigate on the map and choose the parcel in question, and the property information will show up on the right-hand side. If I want to run an advanced search, this allows for me to show more than one record. For instance, I could pick all the properties that are R2 and that are between 20 and 100 acres in size. We'll get that as a list. I can then click on individual records in the list and the property information will show up on the right-hand side for that property. I can also show this as a table. The map has additional tools and capabilities. Layer button allows for you to turn off and on layers. So for instance, if I wanted to turn on my surge zone data, I can do that with my legend. And I have the ability to turn off and on layers as needed on the map. My legend provides a visual output of the layers that are available. My map button allows for me to change base map. So for instance, I could switch to a topographic map or a legacy area photograph. This is from 2002. Or back to 2025, which is the most recent area photos that are available for the county. My nearby tool allows me to select a parcel. So I'll select this parcel in question and then find parcels that are nearby. By default, it will find all the parcels within 250 feet. It will highlight those in the map and I can export those to a CSV or look at individual property information here within the interface. My measure tool allows for me to measure on the map. I can simply draw a line. And I can change the units. So if I wanted to go to miles, I can see the distance in miles. And I can also draw an area. And by default, it will show it in acres. But if I wanted to switch to square feet, I could do that as well. We also have drawing tools in the map. This allows for me to draw graphics, sketches, additional information. And my coordinate tool allows for me to hover and get back the decimal degrees in minutes and seconds, or I can drop a pin to get that XY coordinate directly for me to use inside of my clipboard. The export tool allows me to pick a template and advanced options. For instance, I can set the extent. I click the print button, and this will generate a highly detailed property card map for me of this entire area of interest. This export is now available for me as a PDF, and I can then export this and display it inside of my browser with all the graphics, legend, scale bar, and additional information. We also have a places tool where I can go to places within the county or create my own places, and a profile tool, which allows for me to draw a line on the map and then generate using highly detailed LiDAR information in elevation of that area. So if I draw my line on the map, it will then go to the elevation information and generate a detailed elevation model. I can then export this at a particular interval, which is helpful for site plan. For more information, you can click the I button to get a video walkthrough, contact information, our user guide, or to submit feedback on the site. We hope that you find this tutorial helpful and that you are able to make good use of the new Surry County CivQuest web mapping site.